Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can switch between multiple servers on Fluxer. So let's get straight into it. Now we are here in my own server. What you need to do is basically here on the far left of your screen you will see a column of circular icons here. So each circle represents a different community you have joined. So right here we have Fluxer developers, then this mine server, and then Fluxer HQ. Now, simply as that, just click the server here and you will basically be redirected to that server. Now I can switch here to the other one and back to my personal server community. So as you can see, once you also change the server here, the middle one will also change this menu here. So you have here more columns, more communities, and so on, channels, and yeah. And yeah, this is basically it, how you can switch between multiple servers. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.